Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at TMR Blossoms Villa which is located at Kogilu Road, Bangalore. So friends, this is the outside view of society. And now we are moving towards the villa and here you can see the main entrance gate. Here is the garden area. It offers 3 BHK villas and total comprises of 18 number of units. It's a ready to move project. And now we'll give you the interior view of a sample villa. So friends, here is the living room. Over there you can see the lift area. Here is the office space inside the villa. An attached washroom with this office space. Here you can see the washroom. The lift area. Now here is the staircase and we are moving upstairs towards the first floor. And friends, this we have reached on the first floor. And here you can see the living and dining area. Over here you can see the kitchen, the modular kitchen. And now we are moving towards the bedroom. So here comes the spacious bedroom of this villa. Skillfully designed. This is the dressing area. Over here you can see the wardrobe section. And here is an attached washroom. Now moving next. This is the separate utility area. And here is the balcony area. From here you can take the outside view of the society. And now we are going upstairs. Towards the second floor. This is the lounge area. And we have entered into the bedroom. Beautifully designed with fantastic interior work. As here you can see the room is very spacious. Here is the dressing area. And just next to this is an attached washroom with this bedroom. Here you can see the balcony. Attached with this bedroom. And now we have entered into the another bedroom on the second floor. The big and spacious bedroom with lavish interior decoration. Here you can see the wooden floor work has been done in this room. Here is the dressing area. And this is an attached washroom with this bedroom. Here you can see the puja area. And now we are moving towards the top floor. And here you can see the gym area. And here is the home theater. Over here is the bar counter. And here is the screen. And here comes the terrace. So friends, this we have given you the interior view of a sample villa. Hope you like this video. Thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel. And for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.